Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Majestic Mattress. The Majestic Mattress is available in 3 sizes, a 4'6", a 5' and a 6'. It is also from our D'arcy and Galvin collection, which is exclusive to Easy Living Furniture. This mattress has a medium rating. The foam wall encasement provides reinforced edge-to-edge support which eliminates side sagging, making this the perfect mattress for side sleepers. This mattress also features a mesh fabric border which allows breathability and airflow, keeping the mattress fresh. The Majestic Mattress features 1,100 high-performance pocket springs which provide superb back support as well as great comfort. It is topped with a gel-infused memory foam which relieves pressure points, provides support for all sleeping positions and regulates body temperature. This mattress comes neatly vacuum packed, which allows for easy and convenient transportation. You can shop the Majestic Mattress by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.